Hello students, Devashish again from Dev's Learning Hub, my YouTube channel Dev's Learning Hub and my Facebook page Dev's Learning Hub. Now look into question number 7. If alpha beta are the zeros of polynomial px equals to x square plus x minus 1, then find out the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, and options, the value options are given 1, 2, minus 1, minus half. So what is the question? Question is the polynomial is given px equals to x square plus x minus 1. Zeros of polynomial alpha beta. What is zeros of polynomial? Zeros of a polynomial is nothing but the root of that polynomial for what the value of the polynomial becomes 0. Right? So for which value of the variable the polynomial becomes 0, that means the roots of the polynomial for what the polynomial value becomes 0. Not for all the roots the polynomial can be 0. There could be certain root value of the roots for what the value variable the polynomial becomes 0. So here for alpha beta the zeros of the polynomial means for alpha and beta variable value x, if you replace the variable value x with alpha or beta, in that case the polynomial becomes 0. What does it mean? That means alpha, the x square, x plus x minus 1, for this quadratic equation, the roots are alpha and beta. Got it? You can represent any quadratic equation in this form: x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. Now here you need to find out 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. In that case, what is the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta? Means alpha plus beta by alpha beta. What is this alpha plus beta? Summation of the roots. And what is this alpha beta? Product of the roots. Very, very simple, just a concept, right? So the equation is given x square plus x minus 1. Okay, but so the standard form of the quadratic equation is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of roots. Now the given polynomial is px equals to x square plus x minus 1. Alpha and beta are the roots, that means summation of the roots is alpha plus beta, and product of the roots, this is alpha beta. So now if you compare the given equation with the standard form, now what will happen? This x square you can see, now it is minus sum of roots, but here into x, here it is plus x, that means alpha plus beta equals to minus 1. So here it is product of the roots, that means alpha beta. So what is the value of the root here? It is not plus, it is minus 1. That means the alpha beta, the value of alpha into beta, that is also equals to minus 1. So you understand clearly, right? So the given polynomial, it is x square plus x minus 1. Standard form of a quadratic equation is x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots. Now if you compare these two, that means the sum of roots, here it is, before that it is minus, here it is plus x, that means alpha plus beta equals to minus 1. Then product of the roots, alpha beta, what is the value of alpha beta? We can see it is minus 1, because in the standard form it is plus product of the roots, that means alpha beta it is minus 1. So alpha plus beta and alpha beta both are already given. Now you just replace these two values, alpha minus 1 by minus 1. So it is minus 1 by minus 1, that is equals to 1. So which option it is? So value of our 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta equals to 1. So in that case, which option it is? So which option it is? If the option here, one option is 1, another 2, another one is minus 1, another one is minus half. That means option A, 1. This is the answer, 7A. This is the answer. Option A. This is the answer.